Looking for a budget-friendly SUV that won't leave you stuck at the mechanic? In this video, we're counting down 10 of the best used SUVs under $10,000 that are still super reliable in 2025. 2010 Honda CR-V. The 2010 Honda CR-V is one of those SUVs that prove simple can be better. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine producing 180 horsepower. That might not sound like a lot compared to some bigger V6 SUVs, but the magic is in the balance. The CR-V delivers smooth, reliable performance and excellent fuel economy, with many owners reporting 25 miles per gallon or more in mixed driving. What really sets this SUV apart is dependability. Honda built the CR-V with a reputation for running well past 200,000 miles, and with proper care, many examples easily cross 250,000. The maintenance is straightforward and affordable, and parts are widely available, which means you won't be stressing about repair bills. Inside, the CR-V is practical and surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV. The 2010 model offers comfortable seating, clever cargo space, and a cabin layout that has aged gracefully. Families and commuters alike appreciate how versatile it is. From city driving to road trips, it just gets the job done. The all-wheel drive option adds extra confidence in rain or snow, making it a dependable year-round choice. And unlike many budget SUVs, the CR-V still feels solid and tight on the road, even after more than a decade of use. If you want an affordable SUV under $10,000 that's fuel-efficient, reliable, and built to last, the 2010 Honda CR-V is one of the safest bets you can make. 2009 Toyota 4Runner. This is one of the toughest midsize SUVs you can buy under $10,000. Built on a body-on-frame platform, it has the strength of a truck with the comfort of an SUV. Under the hood is a 4.0-liter V6 producing 236 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's a combination known for reliability, and it's not unusual to see these easily surpass 250,000 miles. What makes it stand out is versatility. It's rugged enough for off-road trails and camping trips, yet smooth and quiet enough for long highway drives. With available four-wheel drive, it handles snow, mud, and rough terrain with confidence, but it's also dependable as a daily commuter. The interior is built to last with durable materials and a layout that favors practicality over flash. Families appreciate the roomy seating and cargo space, while adventurers value the utility and toughness. For anyone looking for a used SUV that combines durability, capability, and long-term dependability without breaking the bank, this is one of the smartest choices you can make. 2011 Lexus RX 350. This model proves that luxury and reliability can go hand in hand. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with 275 horsepower, giving it plenty of strength for highway driving, yet it remains smooth and refined in city traffic. The drivetrain is known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with only routine maintenance, which is rare for a luxury SUV. What owners love most is the comfort. The ride is quiet, the suspension absorbs bumps with ease, and the cabin feels upscale even after more than a decade. Real leather seating, wood trim, and a design that has aged gracefully make it feel far more expensive than its current used price suggests. Unlike many luxury vehicles where electronics and interiors start to fail, this one was engineered to hold up year after year. Versatility is another big advantage. With available all-wheel drive, it handles snow and wet conditions with confidence while still maintaining a car-like ride that's perfect for daily commuting. It's not just an SUV that can last, it's one that stays enjoyable to drive as it ages. On the used market, this Lexus has a reputation for being nearly bulletproof. Owners regularly report mileage well over 200,000, and it's common to see them running strong at 250,000 or more. When you combine that kind of longevity with luxury-grade comfort, you get an SUV that delivers the best of both worlds. For buyers who want something under $10,000 that doesn't feel like a compromise, this is easily one of the most appealing options out there. 2009 Honda Pilot. This SUV was designed for families, but it quickly built a reputation for toughness and dependability. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 producing 250 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's the kind of setup that can handle long commutes, heavy use, and even light towing, all without breaking down easily. One of its biggest strengths is space. The Pilot offers 3 rows of seating, making it a true family hauler under $10,000. The interior may not be flashy, but it's durable, with materials that hold up to kids, pets, and years of use. There's also plenty of cargo room, so it's as practical for grocery runs as it is for road trips. When it comes to reliability, this is where Honda shines. Owners regularly see their Pilots cross 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, and many examples push far beyond that. Mechanics often say the engine and transmission are among the most dependable in its class. The available all-wheel drive system also gives it confidence in snow and bad weather, which is a big plus if you live in a colder climate. It may not be a hardcore off-roader, but it's built to handle daily life with ease and consistency. For families or anyone who wants a reliable 3-row SUV on a budget, this remains one of the most practical and trustworthy options you can find. 2012 Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has long been one of Toyota's best sellers, and the 2012 model shows exactly why. It comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 179 horsepower, paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. For those wanting more power, a V6 option was also available, but even the base engine is more than enough for everyday driving while still keeping fuel economy in check. Where this SUV really stands out is balance. It's small enough to feel easy to maneuver in the city, yet spacious enough inside to handle a family or plenty of cargo. The rear seats fold down flat, giving you impressive storage space for a compact vehicle, which is one of the reasons buyers still love it today. Durability is another major advantage. This generation of the RAV4 has a reputation for being almost indestructible, with owners regularly reporting well over 200,000 miles. Maintenance is affordable, parts are easy to find, and Toyota's engineering means very few unexpected repairs along the way. Comfort is also strong for its class. The ride is smooth, the interior feels solid, and visibility is excellent, which makes it easy and safe to drive. With optional all-wheel drive, it's capable in snow and rough weather, while still keeping the light, car-like feel that people expect from a compact SUV. For under $10,000, the 2012 RAV4 offers the reliability of a Toyota with the practicality of a family-friendly SUV. It's one of the most dependable choices for anyone who wants something affordable, efficient, and long-lasting. 2008 Lexus GX 470. This luxury SUV is built on the same rugged platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, which already has a legendary reputation around the world. Under the hood sits a 4.7-liter V8 engine producing 263 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth on the road, but tough enough for serious off-road use, which is rare in the luxury segment. One of its biggest strengths is long-term durability. The GX 470 has earned a reputation for being nearly bulletproof, with many examples easily surpassing 250,000 miles. Some well-maintained ones even push past 300,000 while still running strong. That kind of longevity is why it's so popular among buyers who want luxury without the repair headaches. Inside, it offers the comfort and refinement you'd expect from Lexus. Leather seating, real wood trim, and excellent noise insulation make it feel like a high-end SUV even today. The cabin is built with high-quality materials that resist wear, so even after more than a decade, many still look and feel close to new. It's also versatile. With full-time four-wheel drive, a locking center differential, and advanced suspension features, the GX 470 can handle mountains, snow, and rough trails. Yet it's still smooth enough for long highway drives. For under $10,000, it's rare to find a vehicle that combines off-road strength, luxury comfort, and world-class reliability. That's exactly what makes the 2008 Lexus GX 4701 of the best used SUVs you can buy in 2025. 2011 Nissan Xterra. This rugged SUV was built with adventure in mind. Powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine producing 261 horsepower, it has the strength to handle tough conditions while still offering decent everyday drivability. Unlike many modern crossovers, the Xterra is body-on-frame, giving it real truck-like toughness. The design is simple but purposeful. With its roof rack, high ground clearance, and optional four-wheel drive, it's ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor lifestyles. The cabin is straightforward and durable, with materials chosen to handle dirt, gear, and heavy use. Reliability is another plus. Owners regularly report these SUVs running well past 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. The engine and transmission are proven to be strong, and repair costs are lower compared to many other rugged SUVs. While it's not the quietest or most luxurious ride, the Xterra is built for people who value capability and durability over flash. If you want an affordable SUV under $10,000 that can tackle trails, snow, or just daily life with ease, this one is a smart pick. 2010 Ford Escape XLT. This SUV may not have the same reputation as Toyota or Honda, but the 2010 Escape XLT is a dependable option in the budget range. It comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 171 horsepower, or an optional V6 with 240 horsepower for those wanting more performance. Both setups are known to last when maintained properly. The Escape's real appeal is practicality. It's compact enough for city driving, yet offers plenty of cargo space and comfortable seating for passengers. The XLT trim adds useful features like upgraded interior finishes, better sound system options, and available all-wheel drive for extra confidence in bad weather. In terms of reliability, the 2010 model stands out as one of the better years for the Escape. Owners frequently report these SUVs crossing 200,000 miles, and because parts are affordable and widely available, maintenance is easy on the wallet. It's not the flashiest SUV, but for under $10,000, the Escape XLT offers a mix of utility, comfort, and durability that makes it a solid used choice.